every year before winter comes and the fall is completely over, we have to make sure a few things are ready and running at the cabin. Otherwise, winter can be a really, really tough time for us. And this year we actually had a few of, let's say, some troubles. Things were not going the way we wanted them to go. But at the end we managed. But I'll let you see it through so you can actually see what happened. The last days of fall are always an amazing time. The air is so crisp and the colors are so bright. Then the snow comes and everything changes. Changing the tires on the ATV and getting the snow tracks on is never a fun operation, especially when it's -5 degrees outside and you're a bare hand. But I guess at least somebody was having fun. We built a shed for the ATV last summer, but it wasn't finished. We only put some protective film on top of the wooden plank that are the roof. And actually on the edges of the planks, the water was getting in and the wood was actually rotting. So we had to find a quick solution just before the snow comes in. So we put some protective rubber just on the edges, and it wasn't sticking because it was very cold and it was very wet. So we really struggled with that one. But by the end we managed, and hopefully it will hold until spring comes again. Running water does not reach the cabin, so we have to fill up these big tanks that we have in the storage room. And to do that, we have to reach the spring that's underneath the house. And when the cold settles in, the ground becomes very slippery and it's not easy at all. To work with water with cold hands and minus I don't know how many degrees outside, it's a real struggle. But for this time, thankfully, we managed without too many accidents.